Hello guys, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I will be participating in the $20 Amazon mystery box that is hosted by my friend Lionette from DIY Beauty on Purpose. So I am so excited to show you the things I got and who sent them to me. I'll have all the information down in the description box, so you can definitely go check out the loop. There's going to be tons of inspiration and mystery unboxing. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. I'm going to start by opening the box, and the box was sent to me by Lionette, DIY Beauty on Purpose. I was so excited to receive this box. It was pretty heavy. I was wondering what was in here, and what made it really heavy was the rocks. The stuff I got was this galvanized sheet, these long popsicle sticks or these wood sticks, and the rocks. Starting with the metal sheet, I am going to cut this in half, but first I'm going to measure it. And to cut this, I used these metal scissors that I got from Walmart. They were under $5. And this is half of the sheet. Now, the Dollar Tree item I will be using is this Decor sign. I am going to remove the hook and the sticker because I'm using the back. With the other half of the sheet, I was planning to do something else, but I ended up messing it up. I was so sad. But anyways, after that, I am going to just measure this and cut it. I do want this to be smaller than the Decor sign. Once I had that, I did use this roll of burlap that I got from Michael's a while back. I am going to cover the entire front or the back of this using this, and as you can see, it doesn't fit, but I am going to make it work by adding some more of this same burlap at the top. To make this blend, I am going to cut the border of the bigger piece because it does have like a thicker border, so I want this to be the same thing as the other piece. And once I have that, I am going to glue it using hot glue, and it looks like one whole burlap piece once it is glued. So now I'm going to glue the metal sheet on top. The next thing I will be doing is using my Cricut. I recently got one, so I did print out home sweet home, and all I'm gonna do is transfer this to the sign. If you don't have a Cricut, Dollar Tree has poster stickers that you can use instead, or they even have like word decals that you can use. To finish this off, I will be adding 4 thumbtacks to each corner. I am removing the point thingy and then gluing them. And I also painted them brown. This decor piece was inspired by a smaller one that almost looks like this, but that one says Sweet Farm, or Farm Sweet Farm, sorry. And it's just almost exactly like this one, but smaller. The last thing I decided to do was to add one of these succulent stickers. These are from Dollar Tree. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. The next item I will be using are these soil cover pebbles. I was so excited to get these. This is what made the box really heavy. And I am going to make a little succulent plant. So I am going to use 2 of these Dollar Tree Decor signs. I'm going to remove the stickers and the sawtooth hooks. The next thing I will be doing is just stack these up back to back, and then I am going to glue them using hot glue. I am also not doing anything to the signs. I did not paint them. I did not try to remove the little 3D flowers that it has. I just left it as is because I am going to cover these. Now all I'm doing is just adding the pebbles. I really love that I didn't have to use a lot of the pebbles because I glued these boxes back to back. So even though the box does look pretty big, it's still like, how do I explain it? It's not deep. Something like that. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. But yeah. Now the next thing I did was just add a whole bunch of succulents that I already have. All of these are from Dollar Tree. I actually have been collecting these because I've been trying to do a succulent decor theme. I'd use 6 succulents in total. I just placed them here and there until I like how they looked. And if you want to make this, you can't make this under 10 bucks. Because even though the pebbles weren't from Dollar Tree does carry similar ones you can use instead. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. Now I'm going to use the third item I was sent. These are like wood sticks. So I am going to use 4 of these and a Dollar Tree frame. I'm going to start off by just removing the plastic. Now don't get me wrong, this wall art is already beautiful as it is, but I'm just going to make it more my style. So to do that, I'm going to use 4 of these wood sticks. I'm going to cut these to the size of the frame. Now I'm going to remove the picture from the frame and paint the frame. I do want the frame to match my first DIY, so I'm going to use this Folk Art Brush Metal Acrylic Paint in the color Brush Silver. I did have to give this 2 coats. This is such a beautiful color. And I'm going to paint the wood sticks using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once everything was dry, I glued the sticks to the frame. And you can just put the picture back on the frame and leave it like that. But because I wanted to incorporate some of that metal sheet, what I did was I cut a circle and use this box cutter to cut the little circle inside the plant. I know you guys are probably gonna think I'm crazy, but I don't know, I just thought it was going to look nice. But like I said, you can already leave it like this. Now once I cut the circle inside the planter, I glue that to the little metal piece. And I'm using some Mod Podge, but I'm using the matte one. I'm going to give it a try on using this. You guys know I don't like the glossy one, so I'm going to use this. And I really like how that mat works, so what I decided to do was to glue the picture to the glass. And if you're asking why I'm doing it to the glass instead of the back piece that came with it, that is because the back piece that came with it is so flimsy and it has these little like waves or wrinkles to the back, so it was gonna make the frame look wrinkly. I mean, not the frame, the picture. Mod Podge also carries these tools to help prevent the wrinkles and the bubbles, so I am going to use it. I then put the picture back on the frame. The last thing I will be doing is just gluing the metal sign. And that is it for this. I think this turned out beautiful. And because I had a lot of the wood sticks left over, I decided to do another DIY using them. And I'm using this Dollar Tree wood circle. I will be making a lot of 3.5 inches small little pieces. Once I have them all cut, I am going to start gluing them around the little wood piece. Now I decided to use hot glue, but you can use wood glue instead. Once I had run out of the 3.5 inches, I decided to do them smaller, so the front piece was going to be a little bit different. And I also was going to leave it how you see it right there, but then I decided to finish it off because I do want to add some of the pebbles. I then painted this using the Waverly Antique Wax. And that is it for this cute little planter. I think it's a planter. I don't know what to call this. But now the last thing I did was add some pebbles and one of the Dollar Tree succulents. So that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. It is so different, but it goes with the rest of my DIY. And that is it for this Amazon mystery box challenge. I absolutely love every single item that Lionette sent to me. So let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. And the person I sent my box to was Marta from Cuban Curls. However, due to some health issues, she wasn't able to participate. The person she sent her box to was Massi from Maspakle DIYs. So I'll have Massi's channel linked down below in the description box so you can see what she got from Marta. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.